Hello listeners, this is Neha and I'm back with another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Hope you all are doing well and having a great time. I was unable to sleep and then I found this beautiful question from one of our requesters. I could not resist myself and thought to share my views with you all. Question says, are all the twin flames really able to reach union? If one or both of the twin flames are married with kids, I doubt them ending or separating. I often think awaiting union can be in vain. The straightforward answer to this question would be a yes. If you are a twin flame and are on a twin flame journey, union is something which is bound to happen. As the ultimate goal of this journey is union. I will tell you how. Union does not have to be a physical union. Like we all are aware that this is a unique journey for every individual and this journey is all about self-growth. So, for the twin flames, those who have already accepted their divine counterpart and have stepped out of their marriage willingly, they are already in union with each other. Talking about the other category where the twin flames who have accepted their journey as is and they choose to continue with their spouse or their husband or wives, whatever may be the case, this is not easy for them, and hats off to these folks, as maintaining a balance does not come easy. But as they say, this journey will help you grow in every aspect, and hence they will also be in union one day with their self, knowing that their twin flame is within them and will always be around them in the 5D plane. Attaining this level of consciousness is not easy and it may take years. My dear friends, twin flame journey is of two souls and union of physical bodies does not matter much here. Remember, it is not that the physical closeness that defines this bond, but the connection between the two souls. And once this connection is established, no power in this world can destroy it. So, even if you are not in talking terms with your divine counterpart, you should be glad that you found them and they found you. And you both made this connection together. Be comforted with the fact that they are just a thought away from you. Connect with them during your prayers and meditation and tell them that you are there for them, and that is how you will reach the ultimate union with your twin flame. With this, I would like to end today's episode. Hope you have got some insight and it will help you in some way. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Keep smiling and keep rocking. Ta-ta!